That way? Yeah. Oh, okay. That's why I said just on which side was standing before. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, I'm going to put my rollerblades away. Well, we got it crossed. It's tough. Well, hey, I left your shop. I shouldn't. But I do.
I got really like look at this. I have massive hands, but like my wrists are small.
I also like this little bag. What did you pay for you? See? See the route that way. Yeah, she doesn't like we have the hours on the site. We're most Thursday, Friday. So if you go to the site, it'll tell you when we're available and you can pre-order.
Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. Hey, you know they're all the same. You know you're doing better on your own. So don't buy in. Live right now. Yeah, just be yourself. It doesn't matter if it's good enough for someone else. It just takes some time. Little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. It just takes some time. Little girl, you're in the middle of the
And there's a bunch of them along the lake shore that are, there's another one further down that's maybe
I know, that's why I said, oh my god, it's our turkey day today. Like, oh
Yeah, exactly. She's hungry, and then like there's a coffee shop.
Yeah, I paid like $300 for the thing.
Really more? No one reads it.
You should have a sign. I'm like, that is the sign.
The whole thing is a sign.
It's a sign.
And your email is?
Is that one? Yeah.
Thank you, too.
Hello, how are you?
Good and you?
Good, thanks. They're body butters. Would you like to smell them?
I love to smell things.
All right. Let me come over here. So they have no more than 5 ingredients that you can pronounce.
Okay.
They do have almond oil. Are you allergic to nuts at all? No? Okay, I'll get you to smell. Let me know which one you like to try. This one is ginger, sweet orange, and vanilla. Then we have maple syrup.
La nieve ni-